In today's video, I will guide you through a method to generate around $2,000 using Google News. I have personally employed this approach and consistently earned around $2,000 with each completed transaction. The best part is, you don't have to sell anything, and you don't need any prior experience in making money online or delve into complex concepts like dropshipping. It involves a straightforward process of copying and pasting text. Make sure to stay until the end because I will also introduce 2 other websites that can double your earnings. If this interests you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's dive into the details. The first step involves visiting google.com, a platform well known to everyone. So, moving forward, in the search bar, type Google News and press enter. The first link that appears, indicating news.google.com, is where we'll click. Now, here's the homepage of Google News. Think of Google News as a global digital newspaper covering U.S. news, world news, local events, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. You might be wondering, how does this relate to making money? It's a valid question, and I'm about to demonstrate exactly how. Let's direct our attention to the top section, specifically focusing on the categories of business, technology, and health. Your task is to choose one of these categories and explore the one that captures your interest the most. As an example, I'm inclined towards business, so I'll click on that category. Here, you can access the most recent and significant updates about global business affairs. Explore information on the economy, markets, jobs, personal finance, entrepreneurship, and much more. However, for the focus of this video, let's navigate to the health section. Click on Health at the top. As you scroll down, you'll find the latest and trending news in the health domain. Now, let's scroll back up and narrow down our focus by selecting the subcategory. In this case, we'll specifically choose fitness. Now, I'll scroll through this page to identify articles that resonate with me the most. It's essential to find something captivating. I'm particularly drawn to the article titled, "Are 7 Best Tips to Build an Exercise Habit." The appeal lies in the inclusion of 2 significant categories within the article, establishing a habit and building muscle. So, I'll just go ahead and click on that article. I really find it interesting. Now, let me guide you on how we can generate income using this article. The next step is to open a new tab and enter spinbot.com. Here's the section where you paste the text from the article we were just reading. Spinbot is a unique tool. It's an intelligent and free text rewriting software. Its purpose is to rewrite the article, providing us with fresh and original content. This way, we'll have a new article on the same topic as found on Google News. You might be wondering why we need to do this. Well, simply copying and pasting could lead to legal issues. That would fall under copyright infringement and plagiarism. However, Spinbot enables us to paste the text and transform it into our original content, avoiding legal issues. You can further verify your work by cross-referencing it with other websites, which I'll display on the screen right now. Let me return to the article, copy the text, and demonstrate how it works. I'll simply right-click and copy this body of text. Now, we'll go back to Spinbot, paste it in, and all we need to do next is click on Basic Spin at the bottom left. And just like that, we've generated new content. If you observe here, the original text length was 483 words, and the regenerated one now has 514, providing us with even more content. A quick tip: if you wish to retain specific names or words, you can simply come down here, click this button, and type in whatever you want to preserve in this box. Now, you'll want to revisit the regenerated article and carefully review it to ensure everything looks satisfactory. This underscores the importance of selecting a topic of personal interest. It's crucial to choose something you're familiar with rather than opting for a random topic you have no knowledge of. However, before anything else, you'll need to return to Spinbot, copy the text, and then paste it in a secure location where you can easily access it later. I prefer using Google Docs, so let's go to the Google Docs website and paste the content right in. Now, our next step is to sell these articles to websites. As mentioned earlier, you can potentially earn $1 per word for your articles. Stay tuned until the end, as I'll also introduce another website that offers $2 per word, allowing you to maximize your earnings. Believe me, these articles can be lengthy, potentially running into thousands of words, making it possible to earn $1,800 to $2,000 per article. Now that you've securely saved your article, let's move on to the next step. Don't forget to show your support by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. I regularly share similar content every week. Now, let's proceed to the next stage. Our next destination is eatingwell.com, and this is the initial platform that offers a payment of $1 per word for your articles. The best part is, you don't have to undertake the strenuous task yourself. You can effortlessly create articles by utilizing Google News and Spinbot to generate fresh and unique content for submission. The fantastic aspect is that you simply submit your content and receive payment. No need to delve into affiliate marketing, dropshipping, or any other complex strategies. Additionally, be sure to stick around until the end as I'll introduce 2 more websites that accept articles on a wide range of topics such as money, business, health, travel, personal finance, and more. This approach allows you to maximize your earnings by utilizing multiple platforms for submitting your articles. Consider this. If you have a 1,000-word article accepted by Eatingwell, you can earn $1,000. Now, with the other website offering $1 per word, your earnings for the same article could potentially double to $2,000. It's as straightforward as that. Now, you might be curious about the process of submitting and earning money from your article. It's quite straightforward. To get started, you can visit creativewritingnews.com/eatingwell. As you scroll down, you'll find information stating that Eatingwell magazine pays contributors $1 per word. Now, if we scroll back up, you'll notice the invitation. Are you ready to submit your articles and ideas to Eatingwell magazine? You can send your pitch to pitches@eatingwell.com or the prep@eatingwell.com. Copy both these email addresses as we'll be submitting our articles to both. Now, go to Gmail or your preferred email provider to proceed. Next, paste the email addresses in the recipient field. For the subject, type in content submission. In the body of the email, express your intention to submit an article to them and convey your enthusiasm to hear back from them. You can enhance the professionalism of your email by copying and pasting the text I have on the screen. Afterward, paste your article directly into the email or attach it as a PDF file. Once you've done that, simply hit the Send button. If they find your article appealing, they will respond and request your payment details. No need to worry about copyright or plagiarism issues, as you've used Spinbot to rewrite and thoroughly reviewed the content. You can select your preferred payment method to receive your earnings. I personally prefer using PayPal, but there are other options available such as bank transfer if you don't have a PayPal account. You can start this process at any time, even today. You can even begin right now by following the straightforward steps I've just demonstrated. It's as simple as copy and pasting. The great aspect is that you can submit numerous articles because Google News is continually updated on an hourly basis. The earning potential here is unlimited. If you look under the health category, you'll find numerous subtopics such as the latest medication, healthcare, mental health, nutrition, fitness, and more. The possibilities are endless, and the more you engage in this process, the greater your chances of earning money. While not all of my articles were accepted, I've successfully received payments 4 times. Now, as promised, I'll introduce you to 2 more websites where you can earn money with your articles. The first one is Popular Science, and you can find it at popsci.com. Their approach is quite similar to Eatingwell, but what I've discovered is that Popular Science tends to accept articles even faster than Eatingwell. All you have to do is submit queries to them, and if they respond positively, you can then send them your full article. I'll display their email address on the screen right now for you to use when submitting queries to Popular Science. On the screen right now, you'll find a template that you can utilize to submit to Popular Science. I'll scroll over so you can see precisely what to write. Feel free to copy the same message and send it over to them, or if you prefer, you can come up with your own pitch, whatever suits your preference. One important point to note is that Popular Science predominantly focuses on technology, including topics such as AI, engineering, the internet, and anything related to technology. To find suitable topics, let's return to Google News, click on Technology at the top, and scroll through the content to identify what's currently trending. I find this article interesting, particularly because it delves into artificial intelligence, which is currently trending. I'll click on it and proceed to copy all the paragraphs. Copy and paste it directly into Spinbot. Once all the desired content is in there, click on Basic Spin again, wait a few seconds, and voila, brand new, reusable content. Now, you can take this article and submit it to Popular Science. Thanks to Spinbot, we don't need to concern ourselves with copyright or plagiarism issues. Everything has been repurposed for reuse. As indicated here, Popular Science is a science and technology magazine, and payment reports suggest they pay up to $2 per word. That's what we'll be aiming for. The next website that offers a substantial $2 per word is aarp.org. They're a well-known business, and if you want to learn how to submit articles to them, you can visit their writer guidelines page. The simplest way to access this is to go to Google and type in AARP Writer Guidelines. This search will lead you directly to the page, and similar to the previous websites, aarp.org also pays up to $2 per word for your articles. The interesting aspect of this website is that they cover a wide range of topics, including health, money, work, social security, Medicare, games, travel, and many more. So what you'll want to do is copy this email right here. Then, go back to Google, type in the recipient, paste it right in there, and submit the same template that we used before. Now, your goal is to submit articles to all three of those websites, Eating Well, Popular Science, and AARP. This ensures you have more opportunities to earn money. However, it's crucial to submit different articles to each website because they won't accept the same article twice. Even if they don't accept all your submissions, even accepting just one article a day could still allow you to make hundreds of dollars daily through this process. It's important to note that not all of your articles will be accepted, only a few will realistically get selected. The fantastic aspect is that you can begin this process right now, today. And as mentioned earlier, they offer payments through various methods, including PayPal, bank transfer, and others. It's a straightforward copy and paste method, no dropshipping or reselling involved. If you can copy and paste, you can make money using Google News. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel because I release content like this every week. Also, check out my video right here. It's a good one. I'll see you there.